Alright, new day, new box. So today I received something interesting from this Cortec. Should I actually move it this way? So this video, of course, is not sponsored by the Cortec. This is something that I ordered for myself. And let's crack this thing open. So let's keep it a bit of a kind of surprise what's inside, but very soon you're going to see what is it. Alright. So the reason for this purchase is actually I always wanted to get one of those, and I was waiting for sale and I got one on eBay from this Cortec, and I have some high hopes for that. Alright, the last piece of sticky tape, and what do we have? Oh yeah, we have the Keychron K2. So this is my new keyboard. I already have a few, when I say few keyboards, I just have the one wired and the one Apple keyboard. And this is my next one. So this is it. Wow, that looks pretty cool. The Keychron K2 mechanical keyboard. Again, I still didn't really get exactly the idea which switch, what's the difference between the switches. I think it's more like tactile feedback, etc. So yeah, let's have a look at it a bit. Yeah, I'm going to put the camera a bit down. All right, so this is the keyboard itself. I like the packaging. Packaging looks very neat. And yeah, that's the one that I was looking for, like the more compact version. I like that it has a great battery life. At least that's what on the reviews. And many of my friends, they have a Keychron. So let's open this thing up, and I don't know if I can open it with the same knife that I have. Okay, yes I can, sure. Alright, so without further ado, let's get the stickers out. Super excited for this keyboard, because I think this is gonna be my first mechanical keyboard. I've never had one. Actually, yeah, oh, I'm lying, I had one. I had one from a very old PC, like almost from 90s. I was playing some games on that PC, but this is the modern new mechanical keyboard. So, alright, are you ready for that? Okay, I'm going to put it a bit this way and we'll zoom it out so that you see exactly how the box is going to get opened. I'm just using my VBO S for that. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Booyah! Oh, nothing special. Okay, we have a protection foam. Cool. Okay, if you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps. Okay, I'm not a Windows user, thanks God. Alright, some information card. Make sure switch pins are straight before inserting switch in. Okay, yeah, for sure. I think just because you can damage them if you press too hard. And here it is, the Keychron K2, a sleek, compact, wireless mechanical keyboard. Very, very exciting. So, oh wow, is it? No way. I think it's aluminium, really. Whoa, this thing is heavy. Wow, this thing is very heavy. Seriously, I didn't expect how heavy it is. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I really like the design. It's very compact. So we have this protective cover. Oh, whoa. I absolutely love it. What? It's kind of, yeah, I mean, it's normal. I don't really feel any crazy clickiness. I was even expecting something the gaming type. I think this is the brown switch. I think so. That's the one that I got. Yeah, that actually feels pretty nice. Yeah, I mean, you can hear that. Like, nothing too crazy. And if I compare it, with my normal Mac keyboard. So okay, just for. Yeah, definitely, that's a huge difference. But yeah, anyway, I like it. I like it as of now. And as I said, it is heavy. I didn't expect how heavy it is. And yeah, beautiful. It's already with the Mac layout. I like it. So, all right, what do we have? on this side we have USB Type-C. We have a switch. One switch is, let me have a look, for Android or Mac iOS, Windows, Android, Mac iOS, and Bluetooth on, off, or just do it via the cable. And I really like that I can use the cable. Beautiful. That's it. Nothing much on this side, nothing much on another side. Everything is the same. And what do we have on the back? On the back, just normal stuff, some stickers, yeah, serial number, yeah, of course we have some elevation pads, I don't know how you call them, and that's it. So I'm going to test it with my iPad most likely, and then with my Mac, and then I will also try it on Linux. I know that on Ubuntu that I need to install a few drivers. I don't think it plays well out of the box, but honestly, so far I have a very good feeling about that. Like, it's very sleek. I like the material. You know, this is the same material that Lego is made from. Like, seriously, exactly the same. Like, you just feel that. Like, if you look a bit close, I'll try to zoom in. Yeah. So keys, like the plastic, it actually feels great. It doesn't feel mushy. It's fine. Oh, it's, yeah. And I just now I found out that they have a bit different elevation. Like, it feels like the escape is a bit lower than the F-roll, or maybe, I don't know, maybe just from this angle. No, I'm blind. They're the same. Or maybe I'm not. No, I am. So I think the difference is on the rows. So this row seems to be fine, and then we go a bit lower. It doesn't have numpads, but that's fine. I really don't need a numpad. It kind of has everything. So yeah, that's the layout. And I'm sure that you can change the command to, actually, you know what? Let's go into open a bit more the box, because we have a few things here. So yeah, we focus straight on the keyboard. What else do we have? Yeah, I'm going to zoom out a bit. All right, so what do we have? We have mechanical keyboard instruction. Thank you very much. And oh yeah, we have a few things here. So what do we have? We have a, well, what is that? I'm sure this one is for taking the buttons out. Oh, okay, anyway. We have USB Type-C to normal USB, great, and I like that it's quite long, and the texture is fine. It looks like it's wrapped in some textile, some material, beautiful. That's very neat, looks very durable. And these are the buttons. Yeah, these are the extra keys. So the key for Windows, Alt instead of Option. Yep, that's fine. And what else? Oh, and I have no idea about what this escape. Yeah, I think this is just escape button, but with different icon on top. Okay, that's fine. Okay, black escape button and another alt. That's it. That's what you get. Oh, and this. What is even that? So if that one, okay, I still have to figure out what is this. It looks like something you make omelette with. I don't know, but for sure they didn't put it for us to make an omelette. Yeah, I have to check what's the difference between this one and that one, because this one seems to be for keys, and maybe this one is also for keys. Yeah, anyway, I'm not gonna dive in trying to remove the keys. I think for now I'm good because I'm not on Windows. And yeah, so this is my initial unboxing of the Keychron K2. So I'm really satisfied from the first look. Like, it looks absolutely brilliant. And yeah, I'm going to connect it to my iPad, my Mac, and then see how it's gonna play. Yeah, thank you very much for viewing. And yeah, if you have the same keyboard, let me know what do you think about that.